Watch through to the end because I'll break down the typical cost for this repair. G'day mate. Got a Mazda and the boot, or liftgate, giving you grief? You're not alone. Mechanics have been seeing a known issue. Mazda issued a technical service bulletin, TSB 0901522. It's not a recall, it's guidance for a common problem. It shows up on 2017-2021 CX-5, 2019-2021 Mazda 3, and 2020-2021 CX-30. The liftgate lock striker gets crusty and corroded at the latch contact area. Symptoms include needing extra force to close, popping back open, or a power liftgate that reverses. The bulletin guides diagnosis and the fix. In short, it's a coating failure plus trapped moisture, often worse with winter salt. Let's dig into why it happens. Why is your relatively new Mazda doing this? The liftgate lock striker is coated to protect the metal. Over time, tiny micro cracks can form in that coating. Moisture sneaks under the coating and gets trapped against the metal. There it reacts with zinc in the surrounding undercoating. That chemistry creates rust and a white chalky buildup on the striker. Road salt and sea air accelerate the reaction. High-pressure washes can drive water into sensitive areas. The striker latch interface is a constant stress point where wear debris can form. Once the coating is compromised, shape and texture change, and the latch no longer gets a clean grip. Open the boot and inspect the striker loop on the sill. Look for reddish-brown flakes or a chalky white crust. You may hear a dull thud instead of a confident click. It might stay slightly ajar or pop back open. Some need a hard slam to latch. Power liftgates may reverse as the latch fails to seat. You can also get a liftgate open warning even when it looks shut. Listen for rattles or a dull clunk over bumps from a partially engaged latch. Corrosion can physically block smooth engagement. If it's crusty, hard to close, reverses, throws a warning, or rattles, you're likely seeing striker corrosion. At the dealer, they know exactly where to look thanks to the TSB. They inspect the striker and nearby areas for rust and white deposits. They also check the latch for wear from repeated failed closures. The standard repair is replacing the striker with the updated, better protected version. Cleaning alone won't last once the coating has failed. They clean the mounting area so the new part seats flat and true. A revised undercoating or sealant may be applied to block moisture. They align it so the latch closes smoothly and securely. For power liftgates, they verify full cinch cycles complete without errors. Once it latches cleanly and the warning is gone, you're good to go. If you're seeing these signs, here's what to expect. Dealers commonly charge about $200 to $450 for a striker replacement. If alignment work or related parts are needed, it can climb towards $600. Independent shops often land between $150 and $350 for the same job. Make sure they use the updated striker referenced in the TSB. DIY, you can clean, lightly sand, and apply rust inhibitor or protective grease to buy time. DIY Step 1. Mask paint, brush off rust, sand with 320-600 grit, then wipe with isopropyl alcohol. DIY Step 2. Dab rust converter, let cure, add thin protective grease, cycle latch to check closure. But with a failed coating, corrosion will return. Replacement is the reliable fix. If you own a 2017 to 2021 CX-5, 2019-2021 Mazda 3, or 2020-2021 CX-30, inspect the striker for rust or white powder and test closure. If you spot issues, get a professional inspection and a clear quote for parts and labor. If this helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your model and symptoms. Cheers.